Today we're going to be unboxing a T8 Mini from AMW Canada. So when we first open the box, you'll see on top you have 3 handpieces. Right under is the main unit itself. And on your right will be the water container. In the same section under it, you have the super gingival container and the sub gingival container. Right above it, you'll have some nozzles for the sub gingival, as well as 2 containers to sterilize your hand pieces. If we move up here, you see all your different nozzles that you can select from. And right here will be your torque wrench. And then this box will be all your accessories. So this is the main unit itself. This is what everything will connect to. Right under you get the super gingival handpiece, sub gingival, and your scaler. Right here, we also provide you 20 pieces of nozzles for your sub gingival. This is your water container, your super gingival powder container, and your sub gingival powder container. They all unscrew open. Right under will be your 2 sterilization containers. So one of them you can put a handpiece with nozzles, and the other one you can only put handpiece in. Does not have space for nozzles. This will be your torque wrench for the scaler, your power cable, your power brick, and this will be your foot pedal. You can connect this wirelessly or wired with the wire over here. These are your hoses for your handpieces, and there's a toolbox. Inside the toolbox, you also have your tools that you can see right here. The 2 important things are, this is your air hose and this is your water hose. The way you can tell the difference is the air hose will have this plastic fitting, and the water hose will have this metal fitting. But if you notice at the end of both, both hoses don't have a connector, that's because you guys want to find a specific fitting for what works for you. And then these will be your fittings, and these will be your air filters that we also provide. So this is your foot pedal, but you can connect wired or wirelessly. If you do wireless, you unscrew the bottom here, and inside you have to use 3 AAA batteries. If you want to connect it wired, there's a opening in the back. It's covered by a plastic piece. If you remove this, then you'll see the connection. Water container goes on the right. And then your powder containers will go on the left. So on your left, this port here will be for your handpieces. You'll just slide it in, connect, and then screw it on so it's tight. Your right is your scaler handpiece. And your left will be your polish handpiece. And on your back of the machine, you'll have all your other connections. The hose with this plastic piece goes here, and this goes to your connection. Next will be your water hose. If you don't want to use this, you can connect externally. And then there'll be your power brick, your power cable connected there, and this part will go to the machine. So on the piezo settings, you can go scaling, Piero, endo, irrigation, or scaling. Here you can also choose the different modes. For water, you can go from 1 to 10 intensity. Same with the power, 1 to 10. 1 to 10. And that's the same thing for every single mode. If you want to switch to blasting, you click down here, that's blasting. This is heat or temperature, you can turn it on and off. Also 1 to 10, so 0 all the way to 10. Same with the power, 1 all the way to 10. That's how you adjust that. And then there's also your two different subsettings. For your water source, you kind of do external. If you connect the machine externally, this will not light up. But if you want to use the water tank, this will light up.